This step involves sewing the face. Take out the face piece, with the previously sewn V-shaped opening, and the chin piece. Place the chin and ears according to their positions in the diagram. The chin and face need to be aligned with their right sides facing each other. We need to sew along this edge with white thread. For the first stitch, first pass through the corner point of the chin. Then locate the embroidery at the temple, and move one needle hole toward the top of the head. Insert the needle here. Once the first stitch is positioned correctly, you can continue sewing. Near the temple, the embroidery may be thicker and make it harder to push the needle through. You can take it slowly or place a firm object underneath to help. Don't forget to tie a knot. After sewing, it should look like this.